It's Monday and we are with a free internship in data science and data analytics. Now, let me just start this session by congratulating you. Now, congratulating you for what? Well, congratulating you for the fact that you have chosen to upskill yourself in the field of data science and data analytics. Upskilling is not that easy. People give up when they try to upskill, but you have chosen to upskill yourself, and that's the reason, friends. You deserve congratulations. Now, what is this internship all about? Well, this internship is a free internship in data science and data analytics that 360DigiTMG provides you. Basically, it's 360DigiTMG's contribution to the data community. Right. Now, whenever you read something and what happens in practical life, there is a vast difference. Right. Just to make sure that we bridge that gap, we have this internship. And friends, when you'll do this project, when you'll do this internship, you'll be part of immense learning. You'll learn a lot here. Right. Now, let me talk about this particular internship. It has two phases, learning phase and project phase, basically. The learning phase will have Python, SQL, and data preliminaries video. Every single day, you'll get Python, SQL, and data preliminaries video in your learning management system. Now, you must be thinking, what is this LMS or learning management system? Well, this is what the LMS looks like. Let me just log in. Basically, this is our part of our LMS. I'm just logging in. Okay, so this is what our LMS looks like, or our learning management system looks like. Now, you'll get this LMS, and you'll be getting 3 videos every single day. Once you go through those videos, and once there will be assessment link, and once you click on that assessment link, you'll be redirected to our YouTube, our LinkedIn page. Now, this is how it looks like. You'll be redirected to our LinkedIn page, and there you will be answering questions. You'll be answering these subjective questions. For example, CRISP-MLQ session 1, SQL, tame the Python questions. And yes, these are subjective questions. Why subjective questions? Well, LinkedIn is very famous for people being very active, or recruiters being very active in here, right? They're searching for their next employees or uh, prospective employees. And of course, you have to make sure that you get into make sure that you are available there, right? They see you, you are visible. So when you type something, you increase your visibility, and thus it's a win-win situation for you and the recruiter too, right? Now, once that part is done, let's come back to this part. Now, once that part is over, you'll get to the project phase. Now, the basic question that pops up is, how do we get the LMSSs? Well, you're already a part of a WhatsApp community, right? Now, there will be a Google form that will be posted in that WhatsApp community. Make sure that you fill that Google form, and once you fill that Google form, our backend team will contact you regarding the same. You'll get LMSSs within 24 hours. We accept, we expect patience during that time. Second part of the project is project phase. Now we shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects, and they'll guide you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes from Monday to Friday to discuss what is done and what must be done for the next day, and any risks or challenges that you have. We shall discuss this when we reach this phase. Talking about completing the project successfully, you will be awarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. This is a free internship certificate, and yes, this is free internship, and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the completion of the project. This program will start soon, and you will get notified in your WhatsApp community regarding dates and all. You will be getting notified in the WhatsApp community itself. But yes, it will be starting soon. Right. So certificate of completion, this is what the certificate looks like, and you'll be getting such certificate. Now, talking about frequently asked questions about this particular program. Completion of learning phase, participants must complete all learning modules before moving to the next task. Please reach out for support if needed to interns1@360dmg.com. Talking about LMS credentials issuance, LMS credentials may take up to 24 working hours to be issued, and patience is appreciated during this process. Talking about internship continuation in case of emergency, if you are unable to complete the internship due to work commitments or personal emergencies, please email us at interns1@360dtmg.com. Include any relevant documentation or proof. You will be assigned an upcoming internship. Internship certificate policy. Internship certificates will be issued only upon successful completion of all required documents. Failure to meet project submission deadlines will result in ineligibility for a certificate, and delays in project submissions are not permitted. If the deadline is missed, interns will need to join the next project batch and complete it within the specified deadline to qualify for the certificate. Right now, we just have data analytics project, and of course, we'll be launching data science project soon too. Now, you can contact us at 180021265431. You can mail us at inquiry@360dtmg.com and visit our website 360dtmg.com. We have offline centers at Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Bhilai, Pune, Thane, Odisha. We have a lot of offline centers we have, and yes, you can join any center. Talking about these things, these are our LinkedIn social media handles. Please follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and yes, follow us on Instagram. And we have accreditation to international certification body. There are some certification bodies we have accreditation to. Now, you must be thinking, okay, all this is fine. Where what else we can help in, right? I mean, you must be thinking the same thing. Where else we can help, and what else can we give you so that it will give a boost to your preparation. Now, let me take you to our website, friends. This is our website. And of course, you can come here to see the featured courses, why choose us, dynamic learning experience, alumni network, and all those things, prestigious corporate connections, and all those things here, right? If you go to learning resources, friends, you'll have a lot of things here. You can be part of micro learning burst, of course, and these are the upcoming sessions that we have. Past session, whatever past session we have, and yes, we have core learning resources where you can come here and dive into learning. Once you dive into learning, click on dive into learning, is get this practical data science book. And yes, you'll love the experience. This is practical data science book. AI Design Studio for ML. Basically, whenever you're making your project architecture, you can use this particular project architecture here. Right. This is for beginner, intermediate, and advanced level person. You have data skill assessment. You can come and assess yourself. Career advance and professional growth. We have resume optimization hub where you can just go and optimize your resume. It's our AI powered resume optimization hub. Talent connection portal. We have here. This is our own job portal where you can apply for latest job vacancies as an AI ML developer, data analyst, business analyst, and all these things. And this is exclusively for our students at 360DigiTMG. Of course, you want to make sure that you access this portal. So you come here and join us, and then you can clearly apply. Right. Now, once this part is done, let me take you to another part. Conceptual understanding, insightful learning. You can go to strategic learning maps. Basically, these are the mind maps that we have where you can actually come and study. Now, for example, Python fundamentals we have. And just for example, if I go in functions, there'll be a lot of things here. Right? You can just go deeper and deeper and deeper. This is much better. Right? They have all these snippets and all. So yes, you can come here and start reading. You have Python, SQL, and data science and all those things. Whatever question, whatever we teach, we have it here. Now, there's innovative project showcase where you can see the projects that we are doing at AiSPRY, right? Here, you can see the projects that we are doing at AiSPRY. These are some of the projects, not all, of course. Some of the projects we have here, you can read about business problem, objectives, and all those things. Right, let me go to the next page. Or that is the next one, that is an Innovative Insight series. You can come here, watch and learn. And yes, part of learning like this, you can come here and watch our data types here, for example, right? You have all these things available. So friends, feel free to explore this. Let me take you to our YouTube channel too. When you go to our YouTube channel, you can see we have industry connects. Of course, these are people who are already established in the industry, and they tell us how do they actually prepare for these type of jobs. Whenever they have job openings, they let us know, right, that there are job openings. Also, how to get into their company. Basically, what type of experience they expect, right? Of what do they expect from the data person joining them. So all these things they talk about here. Now, of course, we have our placement success stories too, and even our students, if they have any vacancy, they let us know about the vacancies and all, right? So that we can post it in a job portal and our students get that experience. Also, when I come here, we have videos related to data engineering, Python for beginners, generative AI, your resume preparation sessions, a project explanation from business perspective, right? International research article publication, and all those things. We have a lot of stuff going on here. We have a lot of videos coming up every single time, so that you can come here and learn and understand that okay, our students get a paper published. We have a lot of resume sessions and all, right? So you understand that we actually make sure that we have to keep no stone unturned, right? So you can come here and you can see there are videos related to even related to domains. Basically, for example, you have to telecom analytics, we have automotive analysis, under automotive analysis and all, oceanography, pharmaceutical. We have a lot of projects, friends, related to the same. Now, of course, you need to go back and study all these things. Let me just revise this and we'll wrap it up. Talking about this particular project, this is the internship project of in data science and data analytics, basically by 360DigiTMG. It's a contribution to the data world. This project will be in two phases. That is learning phase, where you will get Python, SQL, and data preliminaries videos every single day. All right, in your LMS, how to get access to LMS. You are part of a community, and soon you'll be getting a link. Once you get that link, once you get a Google form, basically, yeah, fill that Google form, and you'll get LMS access. Right. Once you go through all the three videos, there will be LinkedIn questions. There will be assessment, which you click and go to the LinkedIn page directly. There you can actually write answers to those questions, subjective questions, right? And yes, second phase would be project phase. We shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects, and they'll guide you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes, Monday to Friday, to discuss what is done, what must be done for next day, and when you discuss challenges that you have. And of course, we shall discuss this when we reach this phase. And upon completing the project successfully, you'll be rewarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. It's a free internship and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the completion of project. And this program will start soon, and you will get notified in your WhatsApp community. So make sure, friends, as you today get the Google form, fill it as soon as possible, right? And make sure that you're completing this project, friends. These are live projects, and you'll get a lot of experience from these type of projects, right? And you can add these projects to your resume too, right? So thank you so much for your time, team. Please enjoy your evening. Please continue. Please take care. And yes, good night, friends.